Big news for Samsung fans. A fresh leak has revealed that the Galaxy Tab S11 series is in the works, and it's shaping up to be a powerhouse. With two potential models, S11 and S11 Ultra, powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 chip, Samsung is aiming to redefine the flagship tablet experience. But what else do we know? Let's break it down. Mobile phone Galaxy Tab S11 series, what's coming? Samsung's Galaxy Tab S10 FE series was just released as a budget-friendly option, but the company is already eyeing the future with the Galaxy Tab S11 lineup. We're looking at two major models, the Galaxy Tab S11 and the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra, both powered by MediaTek's Dimensity 9400 chip, one of the most powerful processors in the tablet world today. This could be a game-changer for users who demand top-tier performance in their tablets. Magnifying glass tilted left, new naming strategy? Samsung might also change up its naming strategy for 2025. Last year, the company skipped the vanilla Galaxy Tab S10 model, offering only a Plus and Ultra variant. In 2025, we might see the return of the base model, alongside the Ultra, possibly ditching the Plus version altogether. However, it's still possible Samsung could introduce a Galaxy Tab S11 Plus as well, but for now, we haven't seen any code references to that model. Stay tuned for more updates. Collision, powerful MediaTek processor, what to expect? One of the biggest highlights of the Galaxy Tab S11 series will be the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 chip. This is the same processor used in some of the most powerful smartphones out there, and now it's coming to tablets. According to the leaks, both the S11 and S11 Ultra models will feature the MT6991 SoC, likely referring to the Dimensity 9400, or possibly the overclocked Dimensity 9400 Plus variant. This powerful chip promises lightning-fast performance, enhanced gaming, multitasking capabilities, and smooth media consumption. Samsung has been making strides in connectivity, and the Galaxy Tab S11 might feature some game-changing options. It's rumored that the S11 series could support satellite connectivity, thanks to new partnerships with satellite service providers like Globalstar. Imagine being able to send messages, make calls, or stay connected even when you're in areas with no mobile signal, perfect for adventurers, travelers, or anyone who needs always-on connectivity. Enhanced features for power users. The Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra could feature even more upgrades, like a larger display with higher resolution and potentially more RAM for seamless multitasking. It could also come with 5G connectivity options, allowing users to stay connected at blazing fast speeds, even while on the go. Samsung's focus with the Ultra model will be to deliver a premium tablet experience that rivals laptops, especially in areas like productivity, entertainment, and creative work. For tablet enthusiasts, this means next-gen performance at your fingertips. Calendar, launch timeline, and what's next? While the official launch of the Galaxy Tab S11 series isn't expected until H2 2025, leaks are already starting to surface. As we get closer to the release, expect even more details about the S11, S11 Ultra, and possibly even the S11 Plus to drop. Samsung is clearly gearing up to revolutionize the tablet market with these powerful devices, and we can't wait to see what they have in store. Speed Balloon, final thoughts, what are you looking forward to? So, what are your thoughts on the Galaxy Tab S11 series? Are you excited about the new MediaTek processor and the potential for satellite connectivity? Let us know in the comments below. And if you want to stay updated with the latest Samsung leaks, tablet tech, and more from Touch Trove, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next video. Waving hand.